Welcome to this tutorial on using Chrome Remote Desktop. You can start by opening up a Chrome browser, which is really important that you use Chrome because it's a Chrome extension, so you have to use a Chrome web browser. And you can Google Chrome Store, and then from there you're going to select Extensions. And then when you're in the Chrome Web Store, you're going to search for Remote Desktop. You're going to select the option at the top, Chrome Remote Desktop, select Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and then you're going to select the icon here. And it might automatically take you to remote access, but you need to make sure you're in remote support. And in the Get Support box, you're going to select Accept and Install. You're going to open the download and select Yes. You're going to select Run. And then you're going to select Yes when it asks to make changes to your device. Almost there. You're going to select Got It. And then when you're ready, you're going to select Generate Code. And a code will appear here that you will give to an ITS representative to help support you. Once you give the code to your ITS representative, they'll input the code in their computer, and you'll be prompted with a message on your screen to allow them access to your computer, and you must allow them access to gain support.